Hi my super sweet crafty friends, welcome to my channel Carolina's Creations Handmade. If you're new, please subscribe and click the bell button down below so you don't miss my videos. If you're in the US, I hope you had a very happy Thanksgiving. If you're not in the US, I hope you had an awesome weekend. And today I have another super mega Tuesday morning haul to share with you. I am sorry, but I cannot help it. Oh my god, I found so much good stuff. They had so many great things and I just went crazy. So I'm going to show you here all the things I found. And I also wanted to let you know tomorrow I'll be uploading my second project for the hot cocoa gift sets. And I'll show you, I found tons of stickers from Maggie Holmes and some of Crate Paper. I found these chipboard stickers. These ones are from the Flourish collection. And oh my god, so adorable. Look at those little houses and the peacocks. I just love this one. And I found another one from the Flourish collection. These ones are embellishments. They're so stinking adorable. $1.99 and just so beautiful. I love the two little swans and only $1.99. So great. And oh god, I found so many. I found this one too. I've never seen this one before, and this one is $1.49 only. Comes with a lot of little word stickers that I love, and I really like this. It was really inexpensive. And oh my god, I love gold foil, and I found a lot of different stickers. These ones are label stickers and they look just like the ones you make with your labeler machine. So I really like this. And again, it was only $1.49 and it has a lot of different words and phrases. This one is also from the Open Book collection. This is gold foiled also. It's all gold foiled. I love those little tickets over there. And this is only $1.49. I just love gold foil stickers. I found this one here. This is from the Blooms collection and I love that little deer. So cute. I got several different ones. I found another one from the Flourish collection and this one is the regular stickers. Look at that little house and the peacock. I just love them. I also found this, and this is from the Open Book collection. I love the colors, the soft pinks, and the little deers that they always use. I really like this! And it was only $1.99. I was really lucky. I found a lot of good stuff. I found these stickers. These ones are from Crate Paper, and this one is Falala. I love it. It's only $1.49. I like the red and white, the white and gold, and then the gold on white, and that's gold foil. So I like it. And I found another sticker set from Crate Paper. It's called Merry Days, and I really like it because it comes with several different ones, tons of them. And these are perfect for your tags, for gifts for Christmas and the holidays. So I was happy. They had this gold foil doilies and I really love them. I love the little ones. I really love the size of them. So I get 3 of them and I just love them. And you guys are not going to believe what else I found. I found a travel stamp platform from Tim Holtz. Oh my god, amazing. And it's only $12.99. Regular price is $34.99, so I was so lucky. And I found also the protective sleeve. This one was only $3.99. And I got this platform actually for a giveaway that I'm going to be doing for my Instagram account. I reached 1,000 followers. Yay! So I'm going to be giving away 2 of these travel stamp platforms. So make sure you're following me on Instagram because it's the only way you can participate. And I really love these stamp platforms. I have the bigger one, the first one they released, and then I got the smaller one. The price is just unbelievable. And I really love the quality. They're a little bit on the heavy side, but the quality is just amazing. This is my favorite one from all the stamp platforms, and I have all the ones they had released from all the other companies. So if you want to win this, make sure you follow me on Instagram. And I was so happy to find the protective sleeve. I didn't have one for mine, so it was only $3.99 out of $12.99. Amazing! I was so happy when I found that. And now I'm going to show you. I went crazy. I found tons of Bo Bunny stamps and I got tons of them. But first, I'm going to show you these roller stamps here. These ones are from American Craft and they're $4.99, regularly $19.99, so it was a great value. And these are from different companies. They have Pebbles, 2 of Amy Tangerine, and then 1 from Dear Lazy. And I like it because you can see it has the date, the month, and the days, and it also has different words in phrases. So I really love it. And I like that I have different ones from different companies. I also got this. This one is from Dear Lazy too, and it was $1.99 only. I like the phrases that she has on the back. XOXO and all the other ones. I really like this. And I'm going to show you. I found this. These are stamping blocks from We Are Memory Keepers, and it was only $6.99 out of $16.99. So I was so happy because even though I have several different of the stamping platforms and Misty and all the other ones, I usually go for my smaller blocks unless I'm doing mass producing. So I always get these blocks because I lose them a lot too. So this is great value, $6.99. And they have the bigger block that is good for stamping the gorgeous girls. And now I'm going to show you. I found this little pom-pom tool from We Are Memory Keepers, and it was $3.99 out of $7.99. They actually come 3 in a pack. There are 3 different sizes. And if you know me, if you had followed me for a little while, you know that I love pom-poms and I love making them. So I'm going to list on the top of the video here and also on the description below to my video tutorial on how to make the perfect pom-poms using a store-bought tool like this ones, or you can actually make your own tool and you don't need anything expensive for it. So if you want to learn how to make them, make sure you check that video. Remember, I'm going to link it up here on the video and down on the description below. And now I'm going to show you. I found these little beads. These are ornaments, Christmas ornaments, and they're so stinking cute. They're with Christmas stockings and they're so adorable. They have 2 different kinds. They have a glitter silver one and a red one, only $1.99. Super cute. And now I'm going to show you. Oh my god, again, I was so lucky. I found this little mini envelope punch board. It was only $6.99 out of $14.99, and I just love it. I think it's so stinking cute. It's so small, so cute. And I have actually the other ones, the bigger ones, but I like this one because this is perfect for on-the-go crafting. If you're going to craft somewhere else, you can bring it with you and it doesn't take a lot of space or it's not heavy at all. So I love it, and it was only $6.99. I also found this one, and this cutting board, it's actually magnetized, so I love it. I have one, it's a teal color, but I love this color. This is like wood and I love it. These are perfect. You just place your piece and then place the ruler on top and you can work and it won't move anywhere. So I love them. And I'm going to show you now the stamps I got, and again, I'm sorry I got carried away, but oh my god, it's not my fault. So I found tons of Bo Bunny. I found this one here. They're all $2.99 out of $5.99, and this one is like doodles. These are like flower roses doodles. These are so cute. And this will be perfect to use for foiling, so I'm going to try them for foiling. And it's only $2.99. And then I got this. These are recipe card stamps, and yeah, I know you're going to be thinking, what am I doing with 3 of them? But actually, they're so inexpensive that I'm planning to make recipe books to give for Christmas gifts, and I'm going to use 2 of them to place them in one of my bigger stamping platform, and then I'm going to use the other one in another one of my platforms, and I just can go boom 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 and finish stamping a bunch of recipe cards in no time. So I was really happy to find them so inexpensive, because I can buy several of them, and that will help me a lot for mass producing. And oh my god, look at those cuties. I love that thing over there. I have one like this. It's from Inca Dinka Do, similar, but I don't have the one down at the bottom, and I just love them. And it's only $2.99 again out of $5, and I just love these little guys. And I also found this, and this is a Christmas stamp set. They have this little Santas here, and they remind me of Nordic Santas for some reason, so I just love it. I want to use this for my tags and some of my Christmas cards, and they're only $2.99. And oh my god, look at this. This will go perfect for my recipe books, and it's only $2.99. It's crazy. I love this. I'm going to use this all over my recipe books, and it has so many different icons here that I just love. I got another one of this I'm going to give to one of my friends who I know is going to love it. And then I found this one. This have phrases on them, and I love this for my planners and also to use on my outer composition notebooks and my traveler's notebooks. Has different phrases, and I just love it. Only $2.99. Hooray! I found this one here. This one is a doodle stamp, and it's circles, but I really like them. They look like doilies, and I just love the doodling. I really like this, and I'm going to use this also on my planners. And this is perfect for planners too, for your traveler's notebooks, and I'm actually going to use them on my outer composition notebooks too. I think they're going to look super good, and I like it because you can make them for separating your pages or bookmarks, etc. And I love all the sayings in here. And these are just new beginnings in disguise. I really like this. Love is such a big word. It really should have more letters. And really, it should. Thank you, my friend. I really love this. So yeah, I'm going to use this on my planners. And oh my god, look at how this stamp is so stinking cute. I love these hot air balloons. I just think they're adorable, and I also like the bicycle, and it's just $2.99, so inexpensive. So oh my god, I couldn't leave it. I had to have it. I also bought these circles. These are like wonky circles, and I actually like them for backgrounds, so I'm going to use them to make backgrounds, and I want to use them also for gold foiling. Oh, look at this adorable butterflies. So stinking cute. My god, they have many different ones. So look at that tiny one. So adorable. And they have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And they have the backgrounds. So adorable. And for only $2.99. So cute. I'm going to use this on one of my future projects. I like this one's too, these flowers. And this is pocket full of posies. I love it. It's kind of like doodle, so I just have to have it too. And look at these icons. These are perfect for your planners also, so I'm going to use them for my traveler's notebooks and all my other planners. And I found this. These are perfect for postcards, and if you make like mini albums like travel related, I really love this for that. So I'm going to be using them in different projects too. Oh, look at this. I got another one. This one is for my friend who's going to love it too. And I love this one. This one is called Romance, and this one has a Parisian vibe. It has a bird in bird cages, and then it has that over there, and it's so beautiful. I really like this. And I found this deer stamps with a die, and this is from Hampton Arts, and it's only $2.99. I have already punches and dies and deer stamps, but I like this one because of the wooden deer. I so love this. And I like the other little guys. I love this Keep Calm and Marry On. And this one here, Happy Holidays, so I had to have it. And I bought this. This is from Richard Gray's collection, and I have several dies from this collection, so I bought this stamp set that I didn't have, and it's only $3.99, so cool. I found this alphabet stamp set. This is from Dear Lazy, and I love alphabet stamps. It was only $2.99, so I got it. And I found also these splinter stamps. This one comes with a little block here, stamping block, and this is great. You can carry this on your planner for on the go. So it's $2.99. And I found this die here from Crafter's Companion. I love it. I think I may have it already, and if I do, I'm going to send it to my friend also. Look at how beautiful this is. You can make wedding invitations with this. You can use it for the edges of your cards too, and this would be so beautiful. So I'm going to actually leave my part 1 of the Tuesday morning mega haul videos so I don't bore you guys too much. Thank you so much to all my new subscribers, and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much to all of you, my super sweet crafty friends, for your love and support. I so appreciate you. Thank you for all your Thanksgiving messages and all your love, and for always supporting my channel. I love you guys, and I hope to see you back here soon for another video. Bye bye. Mwah.